Dalek. This is No Edna speaking.
No, Edna. It's Pastor Lisa. Are you okay? You sound a little distracted.
Yes, Dalek, I'm okay. We were just reviewing the rules of the control room that you requested. We want to make sure that we do everything exactly right.
Oh, well, keep in mind our motto. It's not about perfection, it's about direction, just like Pastor Dale always says. Do the best you can with focused excellence, loving and honoring God above all things, and loving and inspiring others too.
Oh, yes, Dalek. We just reviewed that rule too.
Is everyone there? I have some great news.
I'm here!
Everlasting checking in.
Tell us!
Well, the word about your incredible love for people and for Jesus is spreading across the city. The news reports are claiming it is the greatest mission they have ever seen or heard. And Symbol...
I see the reports coming in now. This is incredible.
Yeah, Symbol has been apprehended and he will be going away for a very long time.
Oh, Dalek, I always had the faith that this day would come.
I sure hoped it would.
That faith and hope helped you to persevere through an incredible mission, but it was your love for Jesus and your love for others that was the greatest equipment of all. Signing off until next time. Love you all.
Love you!
Wow, what an incredible mission the incredible love team has been on. God's love has been spreading throughout the entire world. Love never fails. And 1 Corinthians 13:13b says, the greatest of these is love. It talks about faith and hope, but it says the greatest of these is love. Boys and girls, Jesus told us to do two very important things. He said to love God with all of our heart and all of our mind and all of our soul, and to love others like we love ourselves. Two things. Now, if we love God with all of our heart and all of our mind and all of our soul, then we put Him first, and we talk to Him, and we spend time with Him, and we obey Him. And if we put others first and we love others more than ourselves, then we show God's love to them. That is so important. That means we don't just say we love others. We show that we love others. You know, if we say we love somebody, or we say we love others, but we don't show it, we're just making a bunch of noise. Paul tells us in 1 Corinthians 13 to be patient, to be kind, to not be self-seeking, to not envy, to not boast, to protect, to trust, to keep persevering, and above all, to love others. Those are all the things the incredible love team has taught us over the last couple weeks. Kids, we are finished up with our incredible love team series, but we will be back next week with something new and fresh, and we are excited to spend some more time with you. For now, let's check in with Miss Heather to see what our homework is about.
Hey River Kids, very exciting activity this week. Now, we got to come to a few of your houses and drop off chalk. And some of you already have chalk. So either way, we want to see you this week show off your chalk skills. Can you write "Love Never Fails" in chalk and creatively? Well, we want to see it. Take photos and put them on Facebook or send them to Pastor Lisa. We're excited to see how creative you get with "Love Never Fails."